guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, but today is a continuation of my World Cup series, and today I'm doing Switzerland. This one was an interesting one, that is for sure. But if you guys like these kind of videos, you want to see what's coming up after the World Cup series, don't forget to subscribe. And for the record, today's video is sponsored, but we'll get to that later. So I'm going to start off by applying a red eyeshadow all over the lid. This is one of my new favorites. It's the, what is it? The Chrome Pot from Tarte. I love these things. Well, I only have the red one. I have to try the other colors, but I really like these. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. With any brighter color that you're doing, probably a better idea if you do your face makeup afterwards. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't speak. It's okay. But after I lay my base of color down, I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. Like I said, for these, it's kind of better if you do your face makeup after so that way you don't have to clean up so much. I did have to go in and do that, but I'm not really that surprised. Anything that's a pigment or that has shimmer, I usually have to clean it up anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Then I'm going to take some more of that red and apply that on the lower lash line. If you've ever seen the Swiss flag, or if you're in the US, I know for sure in the US, you ever see an ambulance? That's basically the Swiss flag. It's red with a white cross in the middle, so that should explain the copious amounts of red right now. So this was probably the most fun that I had doing this, because the rest of the look is literally just red eyeshadow. But for the cross, you can do it one of two ways. You can either literally just draw a cross on your lid, or you can do what I did and make your cross your eyeliner. So what I did is I started off by putting white eyeliner just on like the middle section of my eye, and then dotting on the rest of my eyeliner just to give it more of an artsy fartsy kind of look. And then once I was done with that, I went in and drew the top part of the cross. I wanted to keep them kind of still looking like it's part of one cross when you close your eyes. So on the bottom part, I drew in the bottom. One tip I have for when you're actually doing this is try to not close your eyes all the way, obviously, because you need to see what you're doing, but close your eyes as much as you can so you can make sure that the two sections of the cross actually line up. Kind of throws it off a little bit if they don't line up. And I also dotted my eyeliner on the inner part of the eye. That part you don't have to do, you can literally just do straight eyeliner if you want, but I thought this look made it look a little bit cooler. So after I have done my beautiful masterpiece, I am so proud of this. I applied some lashes. If you guys want a full video on how to do that, I'll have it linked in the cards up above, hopefully before next week. For the record, I'm trying to get subtitles on all my videos. I'm doing them manually, so if it takes a little bit, that's literally why. But this is the final eye look and a nice little close-up for you guys. But as I mentioned before, my video is sponsored by me. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I have a merch store on Teespring where I have hoodies, t-shirts, stickers, all kinds of things. So if you guys want to support the channel and get some cool stuff out of it, the link will be in the description down below. I swear I need more sleep or something because I'm going crazy. But that is the final look, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like this one a lot. The challenge was there. But let me know in the comments how far you think that Switzerland's gonna go in the World Cup. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!